back to a series on how to serve a range of fruits during a summer period or any time of the year. I already have a range of fruits that worked with this early series, and I have a few pieces of different fruit items on this plate, and I'm going to be creating fruit salad from this fruit. I have sliced kiwis, blueberries, grapes, strawberries, pineapple, watermelon, apples, more strawberries, apples, strawberries. I'm going to add a few more grapes, and to finish it off, I'm going to squeeze in some orange juice just to have it nice and juicy. That's mixed fruit salad. Enjoy.